Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable Roblox UI navigation on your PC guys, which can get you stuck unable to use your movement keys while playing Roblox. Experience either on your PC or tablet or mobile. You might be enable the UI navigation by mistake. To fix this problem and allow you to walk freely again, open up settings guys. To open up settings, press in keyboard escape key and you just need to click on the help. You can see which key selection or UI navigation by default is the backslash key. Now we can exit the settings and use the backslash on your keyboard to toggle UI navigation on or off guys. As you can see, I can't move it, and after turning off it I can move it guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and you can also support me by subscribing my channel guys. Thank you.